Hi everyone, this is Ramesh and welcome to Easy Classes 2. In this video, I'm going to show you a very useful secret codes for your Samsung mobile. Okay, let's get started. The first useful code is General Test Mode. So, to open the General Test Mode, go to the phone dialer, type *#0* and finally followed by hash. A new test window will open here. Here you can test display, vibration, sensor, speaker, front camera, etc. For example, if you want to test sensor, go to the sensor. For example, I want to test fingerprint. So I will click on scan. Yes. It's give you a brief report. If you want to test touch, let's move to the second secret code, that is to find IMEI number. For that, type *#06 finally followed by hash. Like this, by using this secret code, you can find your mobile IMEI number. The third secret code is to check call forwarding. For that, dial *61 finally followed by hash. After that, you have to dial from your SIM card. The next code is system dump hidden option. To open system dump hidden options, dial *9900 followed by hash. New system dump will open. Here you can delete a system dump files or log files. You will find more, like if you want to change debug level, if you want to change silent on or off, so you can play here. That's it friends, hope this will solve your problems. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video so this video can help others also. Until next video, bye bye.